Hello. Welcome back to another episode of Baking with Mel. So this week, dude, what is happening in this house? Trust this recipe on. Oh my god. I hear people like upstairs and then outside. I am incredibly annoyed because there are people mowing the lawn or blowing leaves or something outside. And of course, the day and time that I choose to film my video, they have to be doing this. I think they just stopped. Hopefully it stays that way, but I doubt it will. I think they just started again. Help! It is the week before Thanksgiving, and I am planning on making something Thanksgiving-y next week. However, this week we are going citrusy, and I don't think blueberries are citrusy, but they're fruity. So we're going citrusy and fruity. I'm gonna be making a lemon blueberry glazed loaf cake. I found this recipe on Instagram and it is from Hungry Mockingbird. There seems to be quite a bit of ingredients, but I'm feeling confident after last week, so we're gonna go for it and see what happens. For the cake, it calls for 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. It says to coat the blueberries in 2 tablespoons of blueberry. It says to coat the blueberries in 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I just got some new baking powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, my handy dandy salt that I use every single week, 1 stick of unsalted butter. Wait, there's more. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons of lemon zest. I have 2 lemons again. I'm going to attempt to measure it in a better way than I did with my lemon cookie recipe. I didn't put enough lemon in last time in that recipe. I'm going to try to do better this time. 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Ugh. 2 tablespoons of these, 1 cup of blueberries. I have my blueberries here. We're gonna make a really nice glaze for the top. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 or 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. That is it. Let's do it. Okay, it's time for the taste test. It looks really good. I ended up leaving it in for an hour and a half, hour and 45. The original recipe said to leave it for 40 to 50 minutes, so I had to leave it in for a lot longer than that. Look at this. Look at how like blueberry it is. Wow. It's nice and moist. It's not burnt. I'm just obsessed with how the blueberries look. It's really good. I think it's good. I'm gonna try it with the drizzle on top. I think the drizzle, I might have overdid it slightly on the lemon. The drizzle is very lemony. It's not too salty. It's not too sweet. I'm actually not gonna give this one a 10 because I think I could have did a better job with the drizzle. It's really good. My skills are just really improving and I'm impressed. Can't pick it up. I think we're going with 8.5 for the rating on this one. Not the best, not the worst. I really am Mel Crocker.